This video will show you how to use IUP Library's collection of ProQuest databases to find the resources you need for your research. What exactly is ProQuest? ProQuest is a collection of many databases that provide access to thousands of journals, magazines, newspapers, dissertations, and other publications. ProQuest provides one interface for searching all of the databases in its collection. To access all of the ProQuest databases, go to the IUP Library website at iup.edu/library and click on the Library Databases button. Then click the ProQuest quick link at the top of the page. The ProQuest Basic Search page tells us that we're searching 17 databases. If we click on the Change Databases button, we can see the full collection, which is actually much larger than 17. This is because databases like ProQuest Central and Social Science Premium house many additional databases. From this page, we can select specific databases to search by clicking in the small box beside each one's name, or we can choose to search all databases at the same time by clicking Select All. Then click Use Selected Databases. Back at the search screen, type in a few words that best describe your topic. Click the magnifying glass icon to then run your search. From the search result list, you can use the limiters on the left-hand side to make some choices about the types of sources you are most interested in. Depending on your assignment, you may only be looking for articles in peer-reviewed scholarly journals, and you may only be interested in articles that were published within a certain time frame. You can see the applied filters on the left side of the page. Click the blue article title to find out more about each result. The detailed record page for each article offers many pieces of information that are useful in your research. By clicking on Abstract Details on the left-hand menu, you can read the article abstract to learn more about the article. And the subjects listed below are especially useful for discovering terms that will narrow or expand your search. The Tools section on the right provides lots of methods for saving, organizing, and citing your research. And on the left-hand side of the page, you'll find the link for the PDF full text. Additional options for getting the full text are by clicking the Get Full Text link or the Check Primo for Availability link. Need more help using databases? Librarians are available by chat, email, phone, and text, or you can visit the Library Information Desk for in-person assistance.